Another day of record COVID cases in the Southland as new testing sites open.
Yeah, Lake County reported more than 45,000 new cases today and 13 more deaths. Hospitalizations also spiked with more than 3,300.
And today I spoke with Providence St. Joseph Medical Center emergency room Dr. Michael Daignault about what he's been seeing.
Relative to last winter, I think overall there's less overall severe illness, but certainly somebody who has a lot of chronic medical problems, who's obese, can still develop very severe illness to Omicron, for example. But overall, what we're seeing in the hospital is consistent with this recent study from Kaiser, which actually shows that the average length of stay for admitted COVID patients has dropped from 4 to 1.6 days. So even if we have a larger number of patients requiring admission to the hospital for oxygen for a couple of days, there's still a very rapid high bed turnover for us. And so, that's what we're seeing at St. Joseph's, and that's what we're seeing nationwide. So that still allows us to see a fair number of patients who do require admission to the hospital, but they're staying for less period of time than last year. And that makes a huge difference for us as far as staffing and resources. Patients that are coming to the ER, unfortunately, those under 5 don't have access to vaccines yet, and there's still a very low percentage of kids between 5 and 11 who are vaccinated. So what we're seeing is, even though Omicron causes overall less severe illness, we know that it's concentrated in the upper airways. And so these young kids, they have smaller airways than adults, and so it doesn't take a lot of Omicron virus to cause inflammation in those smaller airways. And so we're seeing that patients are coming in younger than 5 that test positive for COVID. If the kids are unable to get vaccinated, usually they're around parents who are not vaccinated. And so I think parents need to know that they need to get vaccinated to protect their kids, especially if they're under 5 that don't have access to vaccines yet, because that's their kids' primary exposure right there, is those unvaccinated parents. I think the most important thing to remember with rapid antigen tests to increase their accuracy, it's serial testing. And unfortunately, a lot of tests on the shelves are gone right now. And, the LA County's own home testing program was put on hold because they had some lab techs that called out sick and there was a lot of backlogs. And so, right now when we're seeing a surge, it's definitely difficult to get a test. And so I think if you have the symptoms and you've had an exposure, the important thing is to just isolate yourself at home and, just try to find a test at the end of that 5-day period, or just try to go the full 10-day period to isolate just to be sure if you don't have access to a test.
Yeah, some great information right there. And